Meaning of dodecahedron.
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 Dodecahedron. A dodecahedron is a three-dimensional geometric shape with 12 pentagonal faces, each of equal size and shape, needing at 20 vertices. It is a regular polyhedron, meaning all of its faces are congruent and its angles are equal. The dodecahedron has been an object of fascination for centuries due to its symmetry and beauty. It is often used in geometry, art, and architecture for its aesthetically pleasing proportions and unique properties. In ancient times, it was even considered a symbol of the universe due to its 12 faces representing the 12 constellations in the sky.